welcome to InCabin on behalf of the Sense Media team. And we're really, really pleased to see so many of you at this second Brussels edition of InCabin.
We're back. We're just wrapping up here in Brussels. It's been amazing to see well over 300 people here, lots of new faces. We've had over 90 OEMs and Tier 1s here this week. And actually the biggest highlight for me is the number of new solutions that we've seen. The progression in this market in the last 12 months is quite outstanding.
The mission is to bring the most amazing experience to the in-cabin environment of the future.
Hi, and welcome to InCabin Brussels. I hear it's hot. Are we filming? Eve is a concept for now, but I am in training, and I am learning a lot. I live in the third space. It's nice. It's not the metaverse, but it gets the job done.
This is our vision towards how a car should look like in 10, 15 years from now.
Thank you, and enjoy the show.
We were here last year, so coming back is very friendly. It's a really nice vibe. We say it's a bit like a summer camp for automotive engineering because you get to meet the same people, meet new people, and the conversations are always quality.
This is one of the most important fairs for us and events for us. I even think that it becomes more interesting for us if we combine it together with AutoSens and the ADAS topics, as this is a trend that is going on in our industry right now.
The next InCabin will be happening in May, and the exciting thing is that we are bringing InCabin and AutoSens together, expecting well over 1,000 attendees. Whether you're a part of the InCabin community or the AutoSens community, you'll get to come to one place at one time. All attendees will have access across all of the content and the full exhibition. In my mind, 1 + 1 = 3 as we connect these communities and continue to see them grow in 2024 and beyond.
There's a lot of crossover between companies and technologies now between AutoSens and InCabin. We're really excited to bring both communities together. May 2024. Can't wait to see you there. Bye, you guys. Safe travels home. You're amazing.